tornado. I'm going to turn on my headlights in case it's going to be dark. Anyways. This is so fun. Unicorns dancing and rainbows. Tom Andrews, if you're watching this, then you're gay. I'm sorry. You're just gay. Alright, stop the car. It said stop the car. Hey. Yo, what the? Alright. Yo. Tornado. That's a little bit tough. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah, let me put on the radio so please, no. 2.5 minutes a bit later. Yo, guys. No, yo. You did not hear that. I swear to God, you did not hear that. My phone is on 7%. Oh yeah. Okay, anyways, restart the video. Alright, it's a nice day. To get a move on and get rolling. Whoa! Yeah, guys, this mod is a very sensitive. This is a sensitive mod, so I'm sorry, guys. I'm really feeling. Oh, good. Pink, the unicorns dancing in rainbows. Rainbows. You son of an it totally did not take me 42 tries. Just did this. Okay. Anyways. You're not gonna go, I need to push start, guys. Does it? I can help you. Bro, this is a low rider. No. go check the news. Wait, what? The radio's check this. The National Weather Service has said that there is a tornado. Please stay in a sturdy building, like a normal skyscraper. Or you could go in your bathtub and we don't gotta read
cover
over
yourself with pillows. Please stay
maybe we
safe
have
in a
to.
basement or a sturdy building.
I don't know if I've read all of it. I just got random holes. Oh, that's the tornado. I see it. Stop the car. Beep. Quick. 5.2.7.2. I know. That's not what I did. Okay, whatever. Nope, you're not going anywhere. Deploy. Help me. That's just don't move it. Just don't move it. Just please. I am in the sky, flying down. What is happening? It's like a mini little basketball. Anyways, that is all. Like and subscribe if you want a cookie. Peace. I'll see you in the next video. My little Honda HFS 2052.